Ever wondered how AI can revolutionize your risk management strategies? Stick around to find out. Imagine having a real-time, data-driven view of your entire QHSE landscape, all within a single intuitive dashboard. That's the power of AI-powered QHSE dashboards. But what exactly are they, and why should you care? These cutting-edge tools use AI algorithms to analyze massive amounts of QHSE data, identifying patterns and trends that are often invisible to the human eye. With real-time insights, you get up-to-the-minute data, enabling proactive risk mitigation by predicting potential hazards before they occur. The benefits? Enhanced safety, streamlined workflows, data-driven insights, think reduced accidents, faster problem-solving, and smarter resource allocation. In manufacturing, AI dashboards identify machine malfunctions and optimize production. In construction, they monitor safety compliance and predict fall risks. For the energy sector, they detect leaks and optimize energy consumption. The future of risk management is here, intelligent, proactive, and data-driven. Don't just manage risks, revolutionize them.